This is the lecture for Sarah Sen's The Right to Be an Exception in a data-driven decision making. So just two very small points. They're both vocabulary points. On page 5, she talks about this idea of mens rea. And so this is a Latin term, and it has to do with two aspects that are often required to convict somebody of a crime. Often, in order to convict somebody of a crime, you have to show mens rea and actus rea. Actus rea is the act, so you have to show that they actually did the thing that they were accused of. And mens rea is the mental component. You have to show that they had the sort of intention or the belief or the goal that is part of the crime. So, for instance, the difference between manslaughter and murder, they have the same actus reus, they have the same action, they're both killing somebody. The difference is the mens rea. One of them, in manslaughter, you didn't mean to do it, and in murder, you meant to do it. So in order to convict somebody of murder, you need not just the action, but the mental component. To convict somebody of manslaughter, basically any mens rea will do, because if you didn't mean to do it, you could have any intention, but whatever. And so that's true for like all sorts of different crimes. So, to steal from somebody, maybe you need a certain kind of intention. If you didn't mean to steal from them, maybe it's a different kind of crime, and so on. And then even simpler, she talks on pages 11 through 12, ex ante and ex post legal measures. So ex ante just means before, and ex post just means after. So this saves you the trouble of Googling these terms.